our trusty rig. Of course, we picked the hottest day to look at a 1967 F250 Ranger camper special. So buckle up. I may or may not have the tow dolly on the back. Who knows what could happen. But I think we're probably gonna get this one. Tune in, see how it turns out. Not to say we're ill prepared, but we're stopping by the biggest fucking Walmart I've ever seen. Grab some come along straps, whatever else we might think we need. Always better to have it. All right, she's strapped up. Best as I'm gonna do right now. If we end up on the side of the road, we'll deal with it then. First stop of the... Oh.
This is your PSA. If you're dragging chains, you're no friend of mine. Prevent a fire. I heard this about 0.5 seconds after she dropped.
Somewhat good. A little low. We are on the home stretch. We made it. I'm in an early celebration. We made it. We did it, guys. Guys, we did it. See you at home. Welcome back to another installment of Mother Trucked. Beside me is a 1967 F250 per special Ranger. Now, a couple things are going to set this thing on a pedestal. You may not look it now, but this is the first year of this new engagement Ford had with the bump side. Very attractive in my opinion. A couple other things to mention. Whether you want, believe me or not, she's pretty straight. Take a look at, let's take a look at those numbers again. Oh, dealership numbers, I don't know, but we're gonna take a look at that. 133. 133. Let's remember it, folks. What was the number?
133.
Absolutely. Top corner. We've had something like this in the past with the orange blossom, actually. I'll have to take a look to see if it's the same number. That would be cool. Anyways, let's take a look around this old girl. All the trim is there. Minus one piece. We'll get there. Clean, hold it, make it two pieces. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Okay. Now, take one last good gander. We're gonna give you folks what you want. Sit back, relax, enjoy the time lapse. Okay, this is nothing new to the channel. You see our trusty Scotch-Brite Comet. Now, take a gander at this jean, Levi jean color. And then down here, look at that. Someone painted over the original Wimbledon white. It was a theory I had. Confirmed. It wasn't so much of a theory. It was on the VIN code thing, but we had to test it out. Alex wasn't a believer.
Who's Alex?
And today is a wrap. We're not gonna get overzealous, overwhelming sense of urgency. We got this puppy home, it's ours. As you can see, nothing that we can't handle here at Mother Trucked. She's got the great patina. She's got the great body lines. She's got the great moldings. She's got the makings of a great truck. Let's give you a little bit of a teaser on what to expect here. So here's the baby blue. The whole top half of the truck should look like that. Down here, for those of you that know, Wimbledon white. Again, we're not gonna overdo it. We're all excited. I know you are. Stay seated, stay laid down, whatever you are, stay relaxed. Let me do all the work. Subscribe for more.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the first day of Doof being home. As you can see, she polished up beyond my imagination even. Hopefully yours too. Make sure to subscribe, tune in for more on this truck, and a ton more like it in the future. Love you guys. See you in the next video.